I'm Ed Green, and I'm a portfolio CTO, with a global remit across Cisco. I think globally we're seeing our customers experiment with AI and people are building more, but I think as they're doing so, they're starting to figure out where those workloads should sit. People are moving those workloads in AI between the cloud and on-premise, and people are really experimenting with it. They're leaning into our partners who know our customers better than anybody. And so we're seeing partners like Dicker start to deploy AI pods locally for customers, let them experiment with it. And as the sort of custodians of that happening here in Australia, it's really important that customers, our partners, get to play with AI and see the impact on the infrastructure. As those agents start to swarm and not just complete tasks, it really does change how customers have to think about infrastructure. I think we're seeing lots of different industries adopt AI, and they get returns in all sorts of different places, from being more efficient to being faster to market, or being more creative with the technology they're deploying. I don't think there's one particular industry right now that's leaps and bounds ahead of anybody in AI, but we're seeing it, put new demands on infrastructure. And in some classical industries, you can see how they're the first to market, but I think lots of people have got to think about how they embrace AI, from their business operations through to agentic SOCs. I mean, you name it, AI is having a massive impact, not only on our infrastructure, but how our partners go out and talk to our customers. Well, unique to Cisco in our AI approach is our fully integrated stack. So right from that sort of 5-layer model when you talk to our partners, including NVIDIA and others, but we're able to deliver AI at scale, not just between the hyperscalers, but locally on-premise. And we're ready for whatever that means across your infrastructure, from the network to the compute to security, across the entire stack, and how you observe and monitor that infrastructure. I think we're pretty uniquely placed to deal with that challenge. AI adoption for our customers remains a really big challenge, and our partners are stepping up. With our team at Dicker, we're looking at how do they take AI right out to the edge with our customers and deploy AI toolkits, AI pods. I mean, you name it. The team are doing some really interesting new approaches so that our customers, with our partners, get their hands around AI in a safe, controlled, and scalable way.